Hello guys, it's me, Deadbone. Today, I'm gonna show you my brain rots in Still a Brain Rot. If you want one, just subscribe, like, and subscribe and comment your username, and that's it. So guys, here we go. I'm gonna show you my brain rot. Okay, on the first floor, it's not that really good. Here we got Yin Yang, Los Bombinitos, Brainrot God, and Bamboo Bamboo Sahur. I got it from the update. Next, Voltorino Skeletono, Secret Rarity, and this Pakramat Mamtina. And we got Cocofanto, not really good. And we got Gold Bamboo Bamboo Sahur. And we got Krupok Pagi Pagi and Giraffa Celeste. Okay, here we move on to the second floor. Not really good. We got two secret in the second floor. We got Lost Tong 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 Citos Gold Brainrot God and the Jab 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 Sahur Secret 700k a sec and Diamond Bisonte Jupitre Secret 450k a sec and Krupok Pagi Pagi Brainrot God 290k a sec. And here we go guys. We gonna move on to the third floor. Here we got the good stuff. First, we got the Grapus Medusi with Indonesia mutation and Crab Pinch mutation. It's 9 million per sec. Secret mutation. And we got Gold Grapus Medusi. Secret rarity and 1.2 million. We got the Diamond Lost 67 Secret 33.7 million a sec. My bestest one guys. But my bestest one brainrot that I got is Los Mobiles 88 million a sec. That got a shark pin. But I lost it. We got the Botito Aratito Gold mutation, and we got Secret Rarity 656.2 thousand a sec. Okay, here we go guys. Just comment your username if you want one of this. I don't really get a private server, but I can do it with a public. I can protect my brain rot when we go to public, okay? Don't really got much stuff. I always gotten my stuff stolen, so that I'm super poor. If my brain rot or stuff, my brain rot didn't get stolen, I'll be rich. Like Kalius Poltin Steak. You know that. Maybe somehow I'll meet Sammy, the owner of Still a Brain Rot. I always dreamed of meeting him, but never happened. And my dream brain rot is Strawberry Elephant and this Meowlini. Huh? What is that again? I don't know. Make sure to watch and enjoy. Okay. For the Pharaoh. Oh my days. When I was joined, the first line got a Giraffa Celeste. What the luck, bro. But that's not really good. Maybe. See ya guys. I'ma upload tomorrow or later. See ya!